Hey guys, this is Whistle Tag Lego here, and today we have a brand new MOC. This week's is the Burrow from Harry Potter. This is the second Harry Potter MOC I've built. You can click up in the top right corner to check out the other one. The other Harry Potter MOC is a cupboard under the stairs, so that's pretty cool. Although it is not as big as this one, this MOC is gigantic. Here's the front. The front door's right here. There's some potted plants, flowers, windows, and on this side is a little pen where they have a chicken and a pig. There's also some food and a frog. Nothing special, just more windows, more texturing, a nice window overhang there. And then up on the top floor is a telescope poking out of this window. Inside there's the kitchen, there's the table and chairs. Ron is standing inside there. There's stairs to go up to the next floor, and sort of a living room area over on the left. And you can definitely tell that this is based on the Burrow Lego set that they made, but that one is pretty old, and it's also a lot smaller than this build. So that's one reason I decided to make this, because I wanted a build that did justice to the Burrow. But there's certainly some inspiration taken from the old Burrow set, and plenty of pieces taken from it too, a lot of the printed and stickered parts. Up on this next floor is another set of stairs, a window, and a nice table with a newspaper and a potted plant. Here is my custom Neville, and also in there is Ron's dad with the same trademark dark orange hair that all the Weasleys have. Further up is Fred and George. They're busy making some treats with some hidden surprises in them. Over here, some boxes, cookies and stuff on the floor, and a potion, a letter, and an owl. There's a ladder to get up to the next floor, but there's also a door here letting you get into Ginny's room. And over in here is Ginny with her bed and a few newspapers, a nice lamp. Up the ladder is the next floor. This is where Harry and Ron are sleeping. They've got their bunk bed, some letters, Harry's owl, a trunk, all that good stuff that they need. There's a nice candle on the wall. And then all the way up here is the top floor. I'm going to remove this. This is sort of a balcony and a poster there for the Quidditch team. So yeah, that's about everything. I hope you enjoyed the detailed interior. I had a lot of fun building it. And if you want to see more videos like this, remember to like and subscribe. And remember to hit that bell so you get notifications and you know what I'm up to. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.